Hey guys, so sorry I haven't uploaded in like a long time. I've been busy and I haven't had enough camera storage anymore. So we're hearing weird noises on a walkie-talkie. I think we're picking up noise because no one else has the other walkie-talkie. So it's really strange. Strange things are happening. Oh, there's Romeo. So guys, I'm here with Rory and Michael. I'm here with Rory and Michael.
I'm making another one. No, let's go down.
So yeah.
Let's go down to the back of the graveyard to make it scary. Graveyard, I don't know.
There is like a graveyard somewhere, but I don't know where it is. It is really scary graveyard because I don't like graveyards.
Me and Conan and Frankie went down there and we saw like a clown digging up graveyard.
Like we said.
A grave.
Digging up a grave.
They're digging up a grave.
How's that? So yeah, we're going down here, guys. It's not like we're going down to Brimbeg View right now. So yeah. And guys, I got a haircut. And just to let you know, it was my birthday recently on the 3rd of June. So if you want to send me presents, no, I'm joking. Alright, my friend Rory's making a video now.
Hey.
Oh yeah, look at this big lorry, big truck or lorry up here. We don't know what I don't know what it's called.
It's a big
lorry. It's called Grow because it says Grow. So oh yeah, the graveyard. I know that graveyard. Isn't there 2 Todds?
Right.
So we're like walking down to the graveyard now.
It's really scary, guys. It's scary because it's dark.
Oh, guys, here's a mini. Like mini.
Looking behind me, which that bike wasn't there.
So you guys are gonna climb up this wall.
Guys,
Ooh, ooh.
which is right up that
Almost fell, guys.
little area. Guys,